Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're just going to do a quick video today. I'm going to show you how to install the new plastic shift ears on the front rods of the linkage rod systems for both two-wheel drive and Syncro. Included in the kit, you'll find the epoxy packet with the small note card and the popsicle stick. Keep a couple of the rubber bands that come wrapped around the linkage rod sets. You're going to use those, and the small bag with the two plastic ears. First of all, just bring the card over here. Again, this is a two-part epoxy. Just squeeze it all down to one end as far as you can. Make sure you do it really well. Now, I'll just grab a razor blade. Now, there's a lot extra here, but do your best to squeeze out everything out of each side. Just want to mix this really well. This doesn't take very long, but I want to make sure you do it right. Just spend 10-15 seconds. Then you grab yourself one of the ears. What I recommend is I'm going to kind of coat the inside edges of it first. Just put a small amount on it. Put the stick up in there. There's one. Make sure you cover all the edges inside. Now what I like to do is just put a small amount by wiping the edges of the ears. And grab the small ear, the small angle on the top, put it on the smaller of the two ears. Push down. Same thing with this one. This one's got the flat top on it, on the longer ear. Push this down. What you want to do is push down far enough. When you look on the inside edge here, it's bottomed out on the inside of each one of the ears. Now normally what I do is just get my finger, wipe any excess off. It's not going to hurt anything. This stuff will get everywhere. Just make sure you're doing a good job. Flip it over, and again, just wipe it off. Now what I do with the rubber bands, use them to hold the ears down. Now I recommend letting this sit good 3-4 hours at least. If you can let it sit overnight, even better. This is one of the first steps of getting the install correct on the linkage rods. The installation of the tab ears are one of the first things you have to do before installation on your van or transporter. We'll go ahead and we'll start filming more of these sections, small snippets, to make the installation easier, less confusing.